morning, children. Today you are going to learn a new topic, Stuck. Stuck, it is a 3D game creation tool which is used to build your own 3D games such as video games, action games, casual games and racing, etc. Also, you can share them with your players from all over the world. In Stuck, a drag and drop technology is used. Hope children, you all familiar what is drag and drop action. And to work with the Stuck, you must need an internet connection. Also, the platform can be used like Microsoft Windows or Android mobile phones. Come children, let's install Stuck in your mobile phone from Play Store and you can learn the basics and the components of the Stuck app. Click on Play Store from your mobile screen. Hope you all familiar about mobile Play Store. Click on it. In the search box, type 3D Stuck. You can find list of app in the group. Select the similar icon app and install in your mobile phone. So the name of the app is Stuck 3D Game Creation. Since I have installed already, it's asking me to open the app. But you have to install the app and come to your mobile screen. You can see the installed app in your mobile phone. Click on it. The app gets open, children. By using your mobile ID, please create an account in Stuck. Those who don't have a email ID, please use your parents' email ID and create an account in Stuck. Since I have created an account by my mail ID, it's coming to the screen. Otherwise, it will ask you your username and password. Okay, after that only you will be getting the screen. Here you can find a list of existing games. You can select and you can play and see the games. Now our concept is we are going to create our own 3D games. So before creating our games, in the bottom you can find 3 buttons: play, build and profile. Children, click profile button. You can find the screen. Here the mail ID which you have created account, that name will be shown here. Okay, and you have to create your character. Since I have created already, it's asking me to update your avatar. Otherwise, it will ask you to create a new avatar. So click on it. I'll tell you how to create an avatar. I mean how to create a new character. Okay, click on it. Here you have to mention whether you're a girl or boy. If you're a boy, you click on it. Otherwise, if you're a girl, click on girl and change the skin, children. Click and see one by one, whichever you prefer, just apply to your character. And then on top, you can find clothes. Under clothes, the parts are categorized. So each category will have a list of element that can be applied to your character. Click and see, children. You can find under cap, you can find list of hairstyles. Okay, header part you can choose and you can apply to your character. Okay, just click and move, children, and you apply whichever you prefer. Just apply to your character. Okay, and each categorized you can find a list of things. Just click and see the related element, the items will be shown in the bottom. Okay, after creating your character, your avatar, click on avatar tab, button, and click on save and exit. Save and exit. You will be taken to this screen to create a new game. Click on save and exit. Now you will be taken to the screen. See, a character is created by girl with the name of Julie Mary. So the mail ID whichever you created, that name will be shown. Avatar, the character will be shown here. The thing whichever you selected, that will be shown here. Now we have completed to create our own profile in Stuck app. Okay, now we are going to build our game. So click build button, which is available in the bottom. Click on it. Now you will be taken to the screen. Here on top you can find draft, published and templates. We'll be see one by one. When we use, I will be explaining here. Here the thing is templates. Templates means the designs are already designed and kept. Ready-made designs. Already designed and kept. You can just take and you can use in your games. Okay. When you click templates, you'll be finding listing, but it's ready-made one. Okay, kept in the library. Just we have to take and we have to use in our game. Now we are going to create our own 3D games. So children, go to draft, click on it and click on create a new game button. Here the page gets loaded. Just wait a children. It will take some time. Okay, in the bottom you can find number of elements shown here. If you want to use an element in your game, just click and make a selection and keep your finger in the canvas. That will be shown. The element will be placed here. After selecting, just you have to press in the canvas area. So once it placed, you can see the symbols around the elements. So it is for rotating, this one to left and this one for scaling. Okay, here you can see children, the element is getting changed, the direction get changed. Okay, the next one to lift up and down, you can take up or down. Okay, lift icon. The next one, the slanting arrow is used to make your element bigger or smaller. Bigger or smaller. So this is the main component when you use an element in the canvas. And whenever you select an element, the related tools will be shown on top. Okay, so each element tools will be differ. Okay, and you can change the color and you click and see children, each one here you can change the colors, skin color, and here you can change the weight of the shape. Okay, like that, according to the element, the tools which is appear on top will be differ. Okay, the next one, if you want to add a new element in your group, you have to press plus symbol. This is used to add a new element. Please click on it children. Here you can see number of items are categorized. Each categories will have a list of elements or objects. Okay, now if I want to use any kind of, now you can see vehicles, So number of vehicles are shown here. If you want to select and to add in your group to use to your game, you have to make a selection. See, the square boxes appear here, so the elements are selected. After selecting the element, you have to click on add elements. That will be get added. After that, you have to click on cancel button. You can see now the 3 elements are added to your group. Okay, now here, if you don't want any element which is shown in the canvas area, you can make a long press on the element. Immediately you can see the trace and you can put it in the trace bin. Okay, dustbin. Is that clear, children? Now I'm going to make a small animation. Just take a air vehicle and keep it in the canvas. Make it smaller and change the position. Okay, now you can play and see, children. See here for the air vehicle, you can see a different properties. I mean different tools are appearing. Okay, click and see, children, what happens one by one, and then you can make aircraft controls if needed, and you can change the colors also. Okay, like this you can change it and you can apply to your selected elements. Is that clear? Okay, so the properties or the tools which is appearing on top, it's differ to each elements. Now you can play and see. You can make a close button to close that properties. Now you can play and see the element which is placed in your canvas. Just run and see, children. Like that you can play your game. Okay, if you want to take a snap, you can take a snap and you can share with your players using this. You can take a snap, and if you want to make a creation, you can make a create also. Automatically the animated air vehicle will be saved in your stuck folder. Okay, you can share them also. And here, if you want to create another game, you can find to the left corner the buttons, the sleeping line, 3 sleeping line. Click on it. Click on it. You can see resume. I mean current working action. You can move to there, and removing everything means in the canvas the elements which you have placed that get deleted. Resume means where you will be taken to the same place, same position. And settings, you can set up whatever you need according to the resolutions, the camera shake and those things, shadows and all. You can make it as a default. No need of changing the things. And save draft. Quit means not just you are coming out from the things. Okay, now I'm going to remove everything. Say okay. Okay, see the element, the air vehicle removed from the canvas. Okay, if you want to make, let's see the another example.
Let's see another example in the next class. Hope children, you all understand the concept. Just to have a practice and learn the tools which are available in the stack. We'll see few more exercises and continue in the next class. Have a fun children. Thank you all.